warmed and swayed. Colors flash out in neon way. Feathers flare in the tropical sun. Every bird here is having fun. Wings that sparkle in the bright blue sky. Echoes of laughter, they fly so high. Perched on branches, it's a wild parade. In this playground, no one's ever afraid. Parrot Playground where the colors blend. Everyone's a story waiting to send. Feathers dancing to a funky beat. Paradise where friends all meet. Tunes of nature, they make a symphony. Chirps and chatters create harmony. Jungle jive in the twilight glow. Every parrot puts on a show. From the canopy to the forest floor, each one's vibrant, begging for more. Making rhythm in a perfect rhyme. It's a concert in the nick of time. Parrot Playground where the colors blend. Everyone's a story waiting to send. Feathers